Hi guys, welcome to Techno How. This is Matt, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to clean out Windows 10. Now, there are third-party open source software and paid-for software to do this. The cool thing is Windows 10 does have a built-in file cleaner, and one thing I really like about it is something that is targeted very specifically. Now, if you have a lot of space on your hard drive, this isn't really going to matter to you, besides the point that you might still want to clean your computer. However, if you have a notebook device or a laptop with a very small hard drive, this is really going to matter. Now, I came across someone that had a laptop. They had purchased it. It only came with 32 gigs of hard disk drive space. It updated a few times and the space had ran out. There was really no programs installed or anything, just the space had ran out. So, in doing so, I kind of did some investigation, and when it updates, it actually puts a windows.old file in there. And I'm going to go ahead and just get started with the utility called Disk Cleaner. So you can just go to your Start menu, type in Disk Cleanup, excuse me. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. You get to choose the drive that you want to clean. Click OK. It's going to calculate it out. Click Clean Up System Files. Click OK. Right here it even says scanning Windows Update Cleanup. So this is going to be like leftover files and stuff that were there from the update. Those can start building up, consuming a lot of space, and you're going to want to take care of that. And I'm also going to touch quick base on defragmenting a hard drive, which is a good idea if you have a hard drive. If you have a solid state hard drive, please do not run it. It could be bad. Alright, so it's going to open up this window, and you can see we have Windows Update Cleanup. That's 2.04 gigabytes. And if you have it, which I don't have it because I already cleaned it up, it'll say Windows Old System Files in here, so you're going to want to check that and then click OK. Now this is another utility that I do like. I use it for cleanup. I do not think that it actually has the ability to find those files though. But it's called Glare Utilities, and this is also a very nice utility for cleaning. So you can go into Advanced Tools and Clean Up and Repair, Disk Cleanup. And this pretty much will do the same thing. It'll start scanning and finding it. This may find, Windows updates. So it should find all the files. So you can use third-party software as well. It's entirely up to you. But if you want to avoid the hassle of going and downloading additional software, there is an application available to you right on Windows 10. This is in other Windows operating systems as well. One other thing I wanted to touch base on besides cleaning your computer is a registry fixer or cleaner, whatever you want to call it. Now, Glare Utilities has a wonderful one called Registry Repair. You click on this, it'll run, and it'll detect any problems that sit inside of your registry. Now, I found that sometimes you have to run this more than a couple times, and some problems never go away just because the software can't fix it, like obsolete software. So I found one. It's not a really big issue, so you can repair it. You can also back up your registry prior to doing this. It's entirely up to you. I do back it up just to be safe most of the time. But I always run it at least twice to make sure that it did take it and go from there. So this video was all about disk cleanup and optimization and freeing up hard disk drive space. Now that file cleanup or disk cleanup utility that's built into Windows does not have everything that Glitter Utilities has. Like system tools already built in, like there's your registry backup, repair system files, registry, restore, files and folders, optimize and improve. It'll automatically launch the startup manager so you can go into and see what is starting up with your PC if you have slow boot times. You can check your disk, your driver manager, registry defrag. Once again, you're only going to want to run this if you're on a hard disk drive, not a solid state drive, and then a memory optimizer. And there is also applications and stuff to look into for finding duplicate files, so you can delete the oldest outdated one and free up some space that way as well. If you guys have any comments or questions, please list that below. Please subscribe and like this video. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.